Hello everyone, we are from Group 6. Our SCL topic is about water and mineral uptake in plants, and the specific topic that we chose is about plants growth during water shortage or drought. Hi, Aqilah here. I will be talking about pathways of water and minerals in plants. Let's go! So, how does water and mineral uptake can occur? There are two pathways, pathway A via porous cells and pathway B via root hair cells. We are mainly going to talk about pathway B. On pathway B, water and minerals can enter root hairs and move from cell to cell. Hence, it transports minerals across an endodermal plasma membrane. Here, there is a picture where water and minerals ion are absorbed at the root hair cells. There are a few steps in pathway B. Firstly, an ATM-driven pump removes hydrogen ions from the cell. This establishes an electrochemical gradient that allows potassium and other positively charged ions to cross the membrane via channel protein. Next, negatively charged mineral ions, such as NO3 negative, can cross the membrane by way of a carrier when they co-transport with hydrogen ion, which are diffusing down the concentration gradient. Lastly, what happens after their uptake by root cells? Minerals move into xylem and are transported into leaves by the upward movement of water. Minerals can exit the xylem and enter the cells that require them. Some eventually reach leaf cells. In any case, minerals must again cross a selectively permeable plasma membrane when they exit xylem and enter the living cells. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Adriana, and for my part, I will introduce about biochar. So, what is biochar? Biochar is a charcoal-like substance and it has black colors. It also have a highly porous, lightweight, and also have a high surface area. How can we make biochar? We can make biochar by burning organic material from agriculture and forestry waste, which we call biomass. Now, we continue with the advantages of biochar. So the first one is enhancing soil structure. Second, increasing water retention and aggregation. Third, decreasing acidity. And fourth, reducing nitrous oxide emissions. Next, we continue with improving porosity, regulating nitrogen leaching, and lastly, improving electrical conductivity. We also have an interview session with Dr. Daljit Singh to know more about biochar.
So the first question is, how does biochar increase water retention and aggregation?
Okay. In terms of to increase water retention, right? Biochar have mineral, they have element silicon. During the drought time or during the period where you don't supply water to your plants, silica it can make your plant leaf tegang lah. Once it tegang, it allows photosynthesis. It allows photosynthesis. So during condition with lack of water also, your leaf can tergit and also it can allow photosynthesis to happen. If the leaf is curling, it cannot carry out photosynthesis. So the leaf must be tergit. So that's one thing. How biochar can help, especially in condition with lack of water actually. Then about biochar ni is a charcoal actually lah. Okay. Normally the one that available in Asia is rice husk biochar, because kita staple food is rice lah. So there's a lot of byproduct of paddy. You specifically look at rice husk biochar because it have high silica content. The silica content inside the rice husk biochar tu, it helps to ensure that your plant during drought masa kemarau pun dia tak nampak berkedut lah, dia tak nampak layu. That silica very important. Silica is the key of is the key things that make your plant can grow well.
I would like to ask if can biochar be used on all types of plants or only a certain type?
Yeah, it can use in any type of plant actually. Because biochar act as a soil amendment. It can help to improve your plant growth by improve your nutrient uptake efficiency in the soil by the roots of the plant. Plant absorb nutrient through roots. However, it cannot be used in a high amount. You can use just very little actually, not much. Must be in the proportional ratio with the soil that you use for your plants. Okay, I wish you all the best. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Alright, so hi guys, I'm Daneshwaren. Today I'm going to talk about importance of biochar in plants growth. Alright, so the first one, with biochar, the ability to attract and retain water nutrients in plants should increase much more. For an example, the nutrients which they can retain would be nitrogen and phosphorus. These would really aid in soil fertility and in nutrient preservation. Alright, so with this nutrient preservation, their roots will be much healthier and the plants will be much healthier, causing the plants to have a much better growth and overall success. Alright, so the second thing about biochar importance is it increases the pH value of the soil. With this, the acidity is reduced and it would cause the plant to be in a state of more optimum growth. And with that, the plant would be able to grow to its limit and hence be much more healthier in overall. And for the third one, the importance of biochar, it helps in soil drainage. Clayey and poorly aggregated soils becomes less compacted and provide better aeration. Right, so with this better aeration, more air is allowed to flow, and hence with water, the water is also will be allowed to flow through the soil and through the roots, and hence it will help in soil drainage very well. Sandy soils acquire additional bulk moisture storage capacity. Alright, so here I'm going to show you what plant roots with biochar and without biochar looks like. Right, so without biochar, you can see the roots are all over the place and they aren't as compacted as the one with the biochar. Hence, with this, they isn't very well to handle water retention and nutrients. Right, so this is one of the main importance of biochar in plants. With that, I end. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Daneshwaren, for the explanation. Right now, I will proceed about the adaptations of root for mineral uptake. Okay, right now in this adaptation, there's two mutualistic relationship between which are rhizobia and also mycorrhizae. First, rhizobia. Rhizobia is the relationship between the bacteria and also root nodules. Rhizobia, also known as nitrogen-fixing bacteria, the benefit of rhizobia are allowed to infect their root, reduce nitrogen into ammonia to use by plant. Rhizobia also can be found in soil or in aquatic environment as cage-free living. Rhizobia is aerobic because it has a lot to do with the fact that nitrogen fixation is an energy that requires a large amount of energy. As you can see here, the root nodules are pink in color. This is because pink color from like hemoglobin protein that carries oxygen. It is similar with the hemoglobin in human blood. Type of legume that has the rhizobia are beans, clover, peas, and alfalfa. Next is mycorrhizae, relationship between the fungi and also plant. The benefit of mycorrhizae are allow plants to draw more nutrients and water, increase plants' tolerance to different environmental stresses, and important in uptake of phosphorus. Mycorrhizae can be found in all soil where plants grow as it forms a large network of fine filamentous root. Type of plant benefit are urban, vegetable, and also annuals in planter. Mycorrhizae also considered as natural biofertilizer as they provide the host with water, nutrient, and pathogen protection. What does fungi do? It increases the surface area available for mineral and water uptake, colonize the root system of a host plant, and also break down the organic matter. And what plants do? Plants will provide the fungus with carbohydrate formed from photosynthesis. That's all from us. Thank you.